Hi there, Neil from Richter. Welcome to another video. As you can see behind me, something completely different today for Richter Sport. We've actually got a Tesla Model X in. As you have seen before, we've done plenty of sound boosters on things like VW Golfs, transit vans, that sort of thing. This one's actually in for the new Milltek active sound control. So they do two systems. They do a single module and a double module, which is much louder. We're going all out, so we're fitting the double module. We're going to go through from unboxing, we'll go through the install with Mark and Paul, and then we'll hopefully get some sounds and some video later on with the system in use. So now the system's installed, what we can do is go onto the Milltek Sport app. Let's see here, the system's online. Various options in here, so we can switch it on. This gives you the idle. That's now connected to the throttle, as you can see. 10 different sound files in here. So sound 1. Sound 7 is like a Lamborghini. This setting here is for the pops and bangs. So if we switch that off, quite a clean tone. Setting 4 is the most, so lots of pops and bangs there as well as we change the various settings. Let's pop it onto number 4. What we'll now do is drive the car around the block just to give you an example of what it sounds like on the road. So now out on road testing the Model X, as you can hear, completely transformed it. So I've just picked a random setting on setting 4 with a few pops and bangs. As you can see, we're perfectly linked to the RPM, or the equivalent of the RPM I guess, and the road speed of the vehicle. As I ease off, we're getting lots of pops and bangs. So it just takes away from that electric car sound, no sound at all. Makes it sound a lot more like a conventional petrol car. So yeah, I really like it. Just makes it a little bit more fun to drive. Really quirky. Obviously you can change the volume, you can turn it off if it's late at night and not appropriate or whatever. But yeah, really impressed with this system. And yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Thank you. this is sound 7, Lamborghini V10 by the sounds of it, unbelievable. So hopefully that's been a useful video. We've now been out on road testing the car. It's all installed, sounding absolutely amazing. If you like what you're seeing here, please get in touch. Obviously it's available for all Tesla models, but not only that, it fits a number of other vehicles from Ford Transits and all sorts of things. So any inquiries on those, please get in touch with the team. One last final thing, I know most people are probably aware, but these cars do have an amazing feature. It's called like a Christmas party mode where we can get the car to dance and do a light show. So we'll just show you that now.